You can get paid to do tasks to earn up to $10,750 per month. Yeah, this is not a dream, this is reality. You can earn this amount of money. I'm not talking about anything scam, I'm talking about real money. So simply just go through my video and watch and learn how you can make by simply doing tasks. And this is not going to be online earning, and this is an offline earning opportunity for you. So I'm going to show you two websites that going to provide you that, and these are all simple tasks. If you are needing if you are in need of money, you can start doing this. So the first website that I want to show in this website, which is called Taskrabbit.com. This is taskrabbit.com, and this is a good site to provide simple small task and earn money with that. And it's not like getting a job to a company. This is more like a freelancing offline work. So this is sounds interesting, but this is the truth. But the thing is, you have to be in a certain type of countries and certain locations to avail these opportunities to earn money. So this is not like a worldwide earning opportunity, but they are getting more and more countries in their list, and they are expanding more by days. So simply, this is the site. You just go over and you can see that they have lots of works you can perform daily, and these are simple works. You can do anything like that, and you can earn a decent amount of money. You definitely do some fixing, do some deliveries. You can simply go and do some deliveries to package and deliver any package to someone, delivering a paper. You complete a paperwork for someone. You just simply post a letter for someone. These are the works, and you can see that they have listed all the countries and cities that they are available right now. And you can see that all these USA cities are listed in TaskRabbit, and they support United Kingdom, Canada, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, and Italy, and they will add more countries in very near future. So if you are from these countries and these areas, you are good, you are in luck, and you can start making good amount of money just doing simple and honest and legit works, and you can get paid. And this company is going to get paid, going to give you payment without any worries for that. These are trusted companies. So if you just want to be a tester, you simply click on become a tasker here, and it will load something like this, and you can see that you can earn money your way. So you just select your living area here. For example, if you live in New York City, and if you want to help someone for moving, you can earn $63 per hour. So why not try that? This is a really good way to earn some amount of money if you are in need of money. So simply, this is a really good start, and you can see they have lots of works that you can work without any problem and without any hassles. You can choose any work you like, and you can get started with them. So the second website that I have to show in this video, which is called Airtaskercom. This is Airtaskercom is also a good website to do simple tasks for peoples around you and earn a decent amount of money. So they also require, as it is, you need to be in a certain locations or certain countries to work with them. So simply, this is the case here. You can just go over to these websites, and if you just scroll down, you can see their countries list that they are supporting right now. So they supports Ireland, New Zealand, Singapore, United Kingdom, and United States. So if you belongs to these countries right now, so you are in luck. You can earn a decent amount of money if you are in need of money right now. So this is not like an online opportunity for you. It's not like earn money online, but simply if you are really in a bad situations, you can avail this opportunity. You can go through these websites and you can earn a decent amount of money. So if you just want to become a tester, you simply click on become a tasker, and this page will show up, and you can see that, as I said you, they are earn up to $10,750 per month from Airtasker, and this is based on the median top 50 taskers monthly earnings. So top 50, around top 50 askers, they average the amount per month they are earning from Airtasker, and which is like $10,750. So this is the reality, and you can earn thousands of dollars with doing simple works, and this is a really good works to do something good. You helping each other, you helping peoples. You're not you're not like a company. You simply helping each others and making money, and this expands very well, and this is like a social cause, and if helping each other is a good thing, and earning money by that. So simply you just go over to this website taskrabbit.com and airtasker.com, and you apply for those jobs, and if you are living in those locations, then you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money without any problem. And that definitely the thing is, you do not have to pay anything to get there. You have to pay any upfront fees or anything like that, and you have a total flexibility to work as you want, as you like, as you want to do. And they provide secure payments, and you can more and more work, you will perform more skills, you will get more tasks, and more money you can earn with your task. So simply you can just go over there. It's a completely free opportunity, free to register, and you simply go there, register there, and browse through all the tasks and apply and make the dollar offer there. And if you to get those offers, you can always ask for lowest payment. So simply you can get that jobs, and people are love to pay less to do the same work. So why not try that? So if you want to move something, if you ask for a company to move it, it will be really costly. But if you just hire someone somewhere in your area who is not belongs to a company, and then definitely it will be a lot cheaper. So why not try that? So this is the opportunity that you have to get to earn a decent amount of money, and they are earning a decent amount of money every month. So this is a good opportunity for you in those areas if you are needing, and if you are in situations who needs money. So simply try Taskrabbit and Airtasker, and you are good to go to earn a decent amount of money every month without any problem doing simple work, simple tasks. So if you are liking this method, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.